So yes, so yesterday was orientation session where she explained you the customized healing. Okay, the crux of any program is forgiveness. Okay, do you agree? Right? Core forgiveness. Biggest of the biggest program from healing to manifestation. The core requirement is that you are working on forgiveness. Okay. So the video on customized healings, she gave you at least 16 to 20 different healings. Okay. What you are supposed to do is identify the problematic areas of your life. It can be your child. It can be your parents, it can be your in laws, it can be your spouse, it can be your job, it can be your debts and money, it can be your income source, it can be, friends, relatives, right? So find the disturbing areas of your life first. Requirement. Now the second requirement is do not try to heal everything all at once. Okay. Now identify which of these are most painful. For example, you are very struggling to find good friends, you feel very lonely. Begin with friends, right? टॉप में एक फ्रेंड्स का डाल दिया. Secondly, maybe you are struggling so much with self esteem, self worth. You want ki something I need to do कि पहले I want to rebuild my relationship with myself. Then add from that complete list. There are 17 slides. I think 17 to 20 हैं. हाँ इतनी हमने बनाई हुई है. So नंबर वन पे आ गया फ्रेंड्स, नंबर टू पे क्या आ गया सेल्फ. ओके. नंबर थ्री सॉरी टॉप पे मनी रखना, करना ही करना है. वाई मनी ऑन द टॉप? बिकॉज वी आर हियर इन दिस प्रोग्राम ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ मनी. अगर हमारे पास मनी ना आती तो नोबडी इज हियर टू गिव अस द फ्री सर्विसेज, राइट? सो मनी ऑन द टॉप सो दैट द वे आई एम गेटिंग सर्विसेज फ्रॉम माई mentors, I will always, I'll also be able to help others, and I'll be also only helping others when others have money. So do CH for money because in every human's life, money is one ancestral block, one ancestral curse. ठीक है? जहां पर आपके पास कितनी भी मनी हो, इट जस्ट कम्स एंड गोज, या फिर इट गोज इनटू थिंग्स यू डू नॉट वांट, अनहैप्पी हो जाती है, राइट? सो सी एच फॉर मनी तो करना ही है. हाउ टू डू द सी एच फॉर मनी, वहां पर लाइंस लिखी हुई हैं. डियर मनी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, आई एम सॉरी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू डियर मनी. एक लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो, थैंक यू नाउ डियर मनी फॉर बीइंग देयर इन माय लाइफ, ऑलवेज प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर मी more than I require. Simple. And then take your mala and chant 108 times. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I thank you. I love you. For any number of times, I'll be writing HPP in the group. Please understand. By HPP, I mean, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you. So, whenever you ask a problem and I'll say, no, okay, do HPP for that. My thing is, कि do the Ho'oponopono mantra chanting only. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you for 108 times. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं आई एम सुपर बिजी 100 टाइम क्या ही हो पाएगा, रादर देन क्विटिंग एंड एग्जिटिंग, यूनिवर्स इज वॉचिंग यू. उसको पता है शी इज और ही इज वेरी वेरी बिजी पर्सन. आप 21 टाइम्स भी कर लोगे. स्टार्ट इट. डोंट थिंक कि 21 टाइम्स करने से मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी. 21 टाइम्स, 31 टाइम्स, 55 टाइम्स या फिर 108 टाइम्स, लेकिन जो भी करो बी कमिटेड कि आई कैन डाई, I can leave my food, I can leave everything, but I will not miss doing this Ho'oponopono, right? So this is the first thing. जिन लोगों ने कल की वीडियो नहीं देखी है, प्लीज गो बैक. अपलोड हो गई है, पहले वो देखनी है, फिर आज का सेशन अगर रिपीट करना होगा तो करना है. अदरवाइज यहीं पर वी विल बी हीलिंग लाइव, वी विल बी डूइंग एवरीथिंग लाइव. अगर मैं कोई असाइनमेंट दूंगी छोटी सी दूंगी 5-10 मिनट की, जो आराम से हो जाएगी. प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमराज गाइज. गॉट इट? कस्टमाइज्ड हीलिंग, मनी ऑन द टॉप रखा. ठीक है, मनी का कर लिया. देन प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरियाज में से कोई 3 उठाने हैं जो बिल्कुल बिगिनर्स हैं. लेकिन अगर कोई लंबे समय से कर रहा है, डू एटलीस्ट 5 इन अ डे. इससे ज्यादा मत करो. डू नॉट टॉर्चर योर बॉडी कि मुझे बस लाइक सब कुछ अभी चाहिए, राइट? हीलिंग में जितना आप काइंड रहोगे ना और यूनिवर्स को बोलोगे आई हैव हसल्ड माई लाइफ, बहुत कर लिया, नाउ फाइनली आई जस्ट वांट टू टेक इट स्लो. एंड आई नो इवन व्हेन आई विल डू फॉर 2 थिंग्स, यू विल डू फॉर द 20 थिंग्स. एंड यूनिवर्स डज इट व्हेन यू ट्रस्ट, राइट? तो ही करो, शिद्दत से करो, सरेंडर से करो, फेथ से करो. हैव फेथ, बाकी 20 यूनिवर्स देख लेगा. ठीक है? So you start showing your commitment by starting with your customized healings. जो बहुत ज्यादा परेशानी वाली चीजें हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं हम customized healings करने से? We are asking for cleaning our karma. हम ना तो उस पर्सन पे एहसान कर रहे हैं, ना ही मजबूरी में कर रहे हैं। द ओनली थिंग इज रिपेंटेंस, कि भगवान फाइनली आई केम टू योर फीट, यूनिवर्सल जो भी एनर्जी हो, फाइनली आई वांट टू वॉक द पाथ ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी, ऑनेस्टी एंड लव एंड काइंडनेस एंड कंपैशन। दैट्स इट। ना हम किसी पे एहसान कर रहे हैं, ना हम मजबूरी में कर रहे हैं। दोनों ही इंटेंशन से करोगे कि मजबूरी है, करना पड़ रहा है यार, अब प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आना है, कुछ नहीं होगा। अगर इससे करोगे अरे मैं तो उसको माफ करके एहसान कर रही हूँ, अब ये किस्सा हमेशा खत्म हो जाएगा, इससे भी नहीं होगा। द ओनली थिंग दैट गिव्स यू रिजल्ट इज यहां से, जब यहां से करते हैं विदाउट एनी अटैचमेंट, कि करना है अपनी सोल के लिए करना है। क्लियर? सो मनी हो गया, फ्रेंड्स हो गया, थर्ड मैंने क्या लिया था? सेल्फ, की सेल्फ के लिए। वहां पर सेल्फ के लिए ब्यूटीफुल लाइंस लिखी हुई हैं। टेक इट, रिपीट इट वंस। कैसे करना है? वो जो मंत्रा वहां पर लिखा हुआ है स्लाइड के ऊपर, उसको एक बार जोर से पढ़ना है ऊंची, एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लोज इट, क्लोज योर आईज, एंड आराम से या तो वॉकिंग आप वॉक, इसको इसको करने के लिए आपको कहीं सॉलिट्यूड में बैठने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। आप वॉक पे गए हो, वहां कर लिए एक होपोनोपोनो। आप किचन में कुछ कुकिंग कर रहे हो, वहां कर लिए एक होपोनोपोनो। गॉट इट एवरीथिंग? देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल मदर इन लॉ बहुत ज्यादा टॉक्सिक है। अब ये सोचने की बजाय कि अरे ये तो इतनी गंदी है, मैं तो इसके बारे में सोचते ही गुस्सा आता है, पर कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी करो। डियर मम्मा, my mother-in-law, thank you so much for, I'm so happy that you chose me as your daughter-in-law and I chose you as your mother-in-law. Thank you so much for being the most amazing mother-in-law. Thank you for coming into my life and teaching me the most beautiful lessons of my life. You made me compassionate. Because of you, I'm walking this path of self-discovery and forgiveness and everything. Thank you so much for being into my life. I bless you with so much of health, peace, and abundance. Close the thing एंड देन स्टार्ट चैंटिंग, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, आई एम सॉरी, आई थैंक यू, आई लव यू। मैंने किस तरह से ये जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी? आई हैड माई जर्नल, राइट? बहुत बहुत इफेक्टिव हो जाएगी इससे। जर्नल में मैं आई यूज वन पेज फॉर वन थिंग। वहां पर मैं उसकी फोटो लगा ली थी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मदर इन लॉ की फोटो पेस्ट कर ली थी। देन फर्स्ट डे मैंने हाथ से उसकी लाइंस लिखी थी, सो दैट इट हैज माई एनर्जी। So I wrote, thank you, Mama. उनका नाम लिखा था, सुरिंदर कौर। Thank you for being there in my life. Thank you for coming into my life and teaching me the most beautiful lessons of life. Because of you, I am, finding my soul and purpose and everything. I bless you with so much of health, abundance, and peace. And thank you so much for cooking for me, for serving me, for loving me like your own daughter. तो इस तरह लाइंस लिख के मैं अपनी लाइंस बता रही हूँ, वहां पर मैंने जो फ्रेम दिया है वो भी यूज कर सकते हो। एडिशनली यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, व्हाट यू राइट इट विल बिकम योर डेस्टिनी। बट अगर आप ये सोचोगे अभी ऐसा है, अभी ऐसा है, तो फिर ये सोचते सोचते तो फिर लाइफ टाइम्स में कई राजा आए, कई रानियां आई, कई रंग आए, गए चले गए, कुछ भी ठीक नहीं हुआ। The only thing that can help you go to the other side is this. अपने अंदर आ जाओ 30 days 90 days के लिए, forget what others are doing it, and when you start doing it, it may happen the condition will worsen, चीजें और बुरी हो जाएं, that's okay, again that's okay, continue doing it। एक बार वो जो मड निकलेगा ना, बाहर निकलेगा तो प्योर वाटर आएगा। Got it? तो चाइल्ड की बहुत परेशानी रहती है, दे आर इनटू मे बी टीनेजर्स हो गए हैं, पॉर्न वॉचिंग करने लग गए हैं, स्क्रीन एडिक्शन हो गई है, गेमिंग में चले गए हैं, बाहर गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड्स एंड यू फील लाइक क्रेजी, जंक ईटिंग करते हैं, मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, एकेडमिक में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। इंस्टेड ऑफ वरिंग, अगेन डू CH, टेक योर जर्नल जो आपने बनाया है, पेस्ट द पिक्चर ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, and in front of that, thank you, my dear son, yeah, my dear child, yeah, my dear daughter. You are the most amazing daughter or son. Thank you for coming into my life. Thank you for being the most responsible, caring, amazing child. You are being loved by everyone, every teacher, every coach, every principal, every tutor. Wherever you go, people love you. The neighborhood loves you. Thank you for being the most carefree, happy-go-lucky child of God. Thank you for being a child every parent is proud of. I'm so proud of you. I bless you with so much of love, happiness, abundance, intellect, जो भी आप लिखना चाहते हो, and success. I'm so happy now that you are also walking the spiritual path of life for your emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual expansion. Again, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. I love you 21 times, 31 times, 51 times, 55 times, or 108 times. This is how you have to do your Ho'oponopono. Now, you can do these Ho'oponoponos spread over a complete day. पूरे दिन के ऊपर स्प्रेड कर लो। दो पहले कर ली, फिर तीसरी कर ली, फिर नहाते वक्त चौथी कर ली, वॉकिंग करते वक्त पांचवी कर ली, एंड दैट्स इट, एंड देन बी हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल। कि मैंने इतना कर लिया ना, आई एम सो हैप्पी. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. इट मे टेक 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, करते जाना है. मीन वाइल अगर 2-4 दिन आप भूल जाओ, मत कर पाओ, इट्स ओके. डोंट वरी, डोंट फील गिल्टी. ओ आज मेरी कस्टमाइज हीलिंग मिस हो गई. इट्स ओके. लव योर सेल्फ. एंड इन दिस जर्नी, आफ्टर एवरी 5 days, गिव योर सेल्फ अ ब्रेक ऑफ 1 day, कंप्लीट ब्रेक. कुछ नहीं करना उस दिन. नो हीलिंग, नो चांटिंग, नो मंत्रा, नथिंग. Just let yourself be bored. Got it? The way I'm telling you, if you walk the path this way, it will become super fun, super easy for you. Now, what we are going to do today is, today we are going to prepare your mind and body and system so that जो हम आगे 20 days करने वाले हैं, you can have fun with it. You do not get, oh my God, आई एम फीलिंग मदर से ये ट्रॉमा है, फादर से ये ट्रॉमा है, इतने ट्रिगर्स आ रहे हैं. क्योंकि आता है ऑन द पाथ ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. जब शिव जी ने वो सब जब समुद्र मंथन किया था, ऑल द हलाहल केम टू द टॉप थ्रोट पे, देन ही हेल्ड इट हियर, नीलकंठ. एंड देन इट ग्रेजुअली टर्न्ड इनटू नेक्टर. पहले पॉइजन इकट्ठा किया, फिर वो अपने आप नेक्टर में, अमृत में चेंज हो गया. सिमिलर इज आवर लाइफ. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट दिस जर्नी, चाहे आपने कितनी बार भी किया हो पहले, अगेन व्हेन यू रीस्टार्ट द जर्नी, अगेन सम ऑफ द लेयर्स ऑफ पॉइजन विल शो अप. यू जस्ट हैव टू बिकम द ऑब्जर्वर. दिस टाइम डोंट बी द विक्टिम. लेट दी थिंग्स कम. आप बैठे रहो, स्टिल कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बैठे रहो. एक ही चीज रिपीट करनी है, आई एम सेफ विद इट. टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन एंड से, इट्स ओके, इट शैल पास, आई एम सेफ विद इट, आई एम लर्निंग, आई एम लर्निंग, आई एम फाइनली होम. बस इतना कह के लेट गो. राइट? हो जाएगा अब. राइट? 30 days विल बी इजी, सुपर इजी. हम्म. जो हम 3 days मिलते हैं, 3 days जो रहते हैं, उनमें आपने इस एटीट्यूड से रहना. ये नहीं तो ओ मिनी क्या हो गया, सोनम क्या हो गया. क्लियर? हम्म. Okay. So yesterday Sonam told you about one pivot which we have to do for continue doing for the rest. Pivot and pause and jump. Did she tell you? Pause and jump activity बता दिया था, ठीक है. So that is how what you focus on grows in your life. What you focus on grows in your life. तो जितनी बार भी नेगेटिव चैलेंज आए, जितनी बार भी चीजें गड़बड़ हो, आपने क्या करना है? पॉज एंड से थैंक यू, आई लव यू, आई एम सेफ. बट जितनी बार मिरेकल्स हो, you just have to pause, leave everything and jump. Like jump crazily. Wow, oh my God, my life is full of miracles every time. ठीक है. नाउ मिरेकल्स कैसे हो सकते हैं? किसी का कॉल जो कभी बुलाता नहीं था, मदर इन लॉ फादर इन लॉ का सडन लविंग हो जाना, कोई चीज आपको बना के दे देना. फाइन. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी, व्हाट हैपेंड वाज माय फादर इन लॉ अचानक से एवरी सिंगल मॉर्निंग व्हेन ही सीज कि आई एम वेकिंग अप एट 4:35, he comes and serves me tea every single day. स्टार्ट हो गए थे. And then I was like every single day whenever he brings me the cup of tea, I say thank you God. How come I become so lucky? Thank you so much that my father-in-law is serving tea when he knows that she wakes up and does her work. Seeing my sincerity, he is treating me more than like any father can treat her daughter. And I just said, thank you. Pause and jump every time. So this way क्या होगा? Now that you are focusing on thank you God for every beautiful moment, he started giving me more of that. So pause and jump and customize your God. That should be your lifestyle. Clear? I just quickly explained, जो कि कल already कर चुके थे. इसको जाने नहीं देना, ठीक है? So let's begin the healing. Now we shall start every single day whenever we will wake up with our Gayatri Mantra, quick Gayatri Mantra for 3 to 5 minutes so that we can ask God to, bless our third eye chakra, because this is all the journey of awakening, right? Opening your third eye, not like any mistake, but like now that you can understand life from the eyes of God. ठीक है? Having a better intellect, having the understanding to see life from the eyes of a victor, a king, a queen, right? ठीक है, करें, स्टार्ट करें. So we'll do the Gayatri mantra, a quick short Gayatri mantra. Then we will be doing our inner child healing wala part. Today I am going to prepare your body to see your inner child with the kind eyes of a parent. From tomorrow, the real journey of mother wounds and then father wounds will begin. Today I am going to just make your body a container who can see that halahal when it is coming up. Okay? And then towards the end, I'll be giving you a small healing. And from tomorrow onwards, the main cord cutting method begins, where we'll every single day be helping you cut the cords with the inner child trauma. Make sense? Yes or no? Perfect?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Do it. हमारी सोल हमेशा प्योर होती है, नेवर थिंक मैं ये नहीं किया, नहाई नहीं किया। ऑलवेज सिट विद फॉरगिवनेस कि भगवान, आई एम एन इनोसेंट चाइल्ड, नो बडी, आई नो नथिंग अबाउट द रिचुअल्स, मेरे से बहुत गलतियां होंगी, यू प्लीज फॉरगिव मी। एंड देन सिट। हो सके तो जरूर नहाओ। यूनिवर्स ऑलवेज सी कि आपने एफर्ट की, लेकिन आज आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप नहीं नहा सकते व्हाटसोएवर, ठीक है। एंड देन डू इट, राइट। एंड then say कि I'm doing it just for the purification of my soul. I can do the mistakes. Please forgive my mistakes. And then start chanting any mantra. ठीक है? And before chanting the Gayatri mantra, I want you all to take your pen and a paper quickly. Write one goal, any one desire. वन ही लिखना बस, विच यू थिंक इजिएस्ट है, क्विकेस्ट हो सकती है, और इसको मैं काफी देर से चाह रहा था, हो नहीं रही है। नाउ आई वॉन्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बहुत देर से आई एम वॉन्टिंग टू मेक 2 lakhs मनी एवरी सिंगल मंथ, राइट इट डाउन। और फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ हाउस वाइफ, बहुत देर से मैं चाह रही थी मेरी 35,000 की इनकम शुरू हो जाए। सो थैंक यू सो मच यूनिवर्स, नाउ आई एम एबल टू, नाउ आई एम इजीली मेकिंग 35,000 every single month effortlessly as my monthly income, doing what I love. Or for example, thank you universe. Now I am perfectly healthy with my ideal weight of 58 kgs and dash inches of waist, जो भी आपको ideal लगता है, ठीक है? Inch size and waist. Or thank you so much universe. Now that my relationship with this person is immensely harmonious, जिसके साथ बिगड़ा हुआ था, and you want to heal it. Okay. So any one intention, goal. Now we will put the intention. Write the goal, close the diaries. Sit straight, straighten up your spine. Put your hands on your goal. Touch your goal, जहां पर भी लिखा है, and say, I now completely surrender this desire to my God. अब वो जिसको भी आप मानते हो, देवी माँ को, प्रकृति को, यूनिवर्स को, एनर्जी को, जिसको भी आप मानते हो, say, I now surrender my this desire to you universe, to you goddess. Hey माँ, give me the intellect and resources to fulfill this desire through you. I totally, totally, totally surrender my desire of dash, say it in your mind, to you. Fulfill my desire through you. Put your hands on your heart. Repeat it. Chant करो सब. Asta, asta As we are chanting this mantra, visualize fulfilling your goal. No need to think कैसे होगा, ओ कैसे ये सब possible है. Just feel yourself in every cell of your body. Feel that desire living right now कि अब वो हो चुकी है और मैं वो पल जी रहा हूँ. जब वो डिजायर पूरी होगी, कैसे दिन होंगे, कैसा एनवायरनमेंट होगा, आप कैसे बिहेव कर रहे होगे, आप कैसे फील कर रहे होगे, एज वी आर प्लेइंग दिस मंत्रा, feel yourself living that desire. And this mantra will, align the universe. It will give you the intellect, it will give you the wisdom, it will heal your past, it will enlighten your soul to live this desire. Your job is just to see it living. If you have desire to heal any of your, sibling, तो उसको भी आप देख सकते हो कि they are living, everything in their life is sorted, if that is your goal. What a beautiful life. Smell it, feel it. See yourself holding rewards, awards, if that is your goal. Being recognized, being loved. So guys, rub your hands. Give this energy to your eyes. And with the feelings of kindness towards you, love towards you, open your eyes. How are you feeling? Yes, Gayatri Mantra is not any holy prayer. Don't think कि भगवान आपको देख रहे हैं and he is, bestowing his grace on you. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Gayatri Mantra is an alignment. When you chant this mantra, your body के chemicals, energies, chords इस तरह से align होते हैं that you align with the frequency of manifestations. यूनिवर्स की जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आके वाक सिद्धि होती है, जो कुछ भी आप एनीथिंग यू टच बिकम्स गोल्ड, यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग दैट वाइब्रेशन and automatically like a magnet, you start attracting anything and everything. Doesn't matter what you are doing, how you are doing. That is the power of Gayatri Mantra. ठीक है, चलो जी. Now let's do our inner child healing first, okay? And then we'll be do the energy healing and then we'll close. आज थोड़ा सा मे बी 5-10 मिनट आउट ऑफ द टाइम चला जाए, बट फ्रॉम टुमारो, नाउ दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस, आगे से विल बी डायरेक्टली स्टार्टिंग विद द इंटेंशन, गोल, गायत्री मंत्र, देन आर ICH पार्ट एंड देन आर हीलिंग पार्ट. ठीक है, and from that day we'll also be fetching our tarot card also, angel card also. Understood what will be the flow of the day? Chalo ji, quickly drink your water, close your eyes, let me start the music. We are going to do the ICH part. Chalo. So now sit straight. Is the music audible? Along with my voice? Both the volumes are okay? Yes? Chalo. Keep your eyes closed. We are going to embrace our inner child with kindness, with love, with honesty. म्यूजिक ज्यादा लाउड तो नहीं है? टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, slow deep breath without any exertion, without any pressure. Just breathe in and breathe out. Spine should be straight because our spine is the portal through which emotions move. When the emotions move, the fluids from the universe that are already within our body start moving, and hence all the kachra, everything undesirable moves out, and the prana flows freely. Observe your breathing, keep your eyes closed. You can join your hands or you can keep your hands on any part of the body, whatever you feel good. Wherever you feel heaviness, wherever you want to send high vibrations of healing, just visualize your body. We are preparing your body to embrace your inner child for the first time in your life with acceptance, no judgment. Just visualize that you are getting more and more grounded with every deep breath. With every deep, slow inhale and exhale, you are becoming more and more grounded. Release every tension, surrender everything to the higher power. Visualize strong roots growing from your feet and going deep inside the earth. As the roots are growing deeper and deeper into the earth, you are allowing the powerful, positive, protective energies of the earth to become activated. And now, any worries, any stress, any confusion, any stuckness, any doubt, no matter कब से आप अटके हुए हो वहां पर, that is there within you, is flowing now from you, from your mind, from your subconscious, down towards your heart, through your cells. It's moving and passing towards your heart and then to your stomach and then flowing towards your feet and through the strong roots. These disturbed energies of stress, worries, sadness, frustration, doubts, overwhelm. Feel every emotion, guys, as I'm speaking, are moving deep into the earth. And as it is moving deep inside the earth, the healing energies of the earth is neutralizing all of your low vibrations, all your wounds and trauma. Even if you don't know about it, even if you don't feel it and your body is numb, absolutely fine. Divine is doing its work. The healing energies know what to delete, what to release. Your job is just sit and surrender and give your body permission to finally rest and release. The universe, the divine knows everything. Your higher self, your inner child knows everything. They were just waiting for you. Trust the inner self. Trust the divine. Have faith that you are protected. Have faith here that you are taken care of. The earth's energies are neutralizing all your worries, all your trauma, all your wounds. And now just follow my voice and try to say along with me. Put your hands on your heart and say, every day, my heart is healing. I'm releasing all the negative energy from my heart. I'm a strong and a loving, kind person. I still have the ability to love truly, unconditionally, wholeheartedly. I'm ready and excited for a new beginning in my life as my version 2.0. I surrender to whatever life unfolds for me. My heart is healing more and more each day. My inner child is loving and trusting me more and more each day. I trust that everything happens for my own well being and happiness. I believe in myself. Put your hands on your belly, touch your warm belly button, and say, I'm excited to follow my passion. I'm excited to reconnect with my divine child, my divine inner child. I trust that everything is happening for my own well being and my happiness. I'm protected. My family and my friends are protected. My needs are taken care of. Both my emotional, physical, and financial needs are taken care of. I'm trusting my intuition and I follow my heart. My heart always shows me the right way for me. I have an unconditional love inside of me. Feel the love, guys. Produce the vibrations of love inside of you. Every wound that has punctured your soul is being filled with love in this moment. You are the creator of your own love. And say, my heart is open to give and receive love. Today is your day only. You are the center. You need your love and attention first. Every single person will be taken care of. First, your heart. Say, my heart energies are opening and are balancing. And now imagine your heart becoming the expansive space, vibrating with emerald green blue lights, with gratitude, love, forgiveness, while receiving love from every direction and corner of the world. And as your heart chakra is beautifully brimming with love, you are giving out this love to every direction of the planet, every corner of the universe. And now say, I'm sorry for any trauma that I'm still carrying from my childhood. Even if I'm not aware, I take 100% responsibility for my inner childhood wounds and healing it. I take 100% responsibility. With God, I can do it. Please forgive me for not being aware of my inner child wounds. Please forgive me for disconnecting with my inner child. I didn't know when I got disconnected. Visualize that sweet little girl or little boy within you who was waiting for you. Hold its hand and say, please forgive me, criticizing you. Feel the love, let the tears come. It's okay. Allow yourself to feel it. Your body was waiting for this moment. I'm sorry for judging you, for criticizing you. Please forgive me, my dear inner child. I'm so sorry for not being there with you sometimes. I'm sorry for putting you in places where you were belittled, where you felt disrespected, unvalued. I did not know any better. I didn't know how to protect you. I'm sorry, my dear inner child, for hurting you so badly and not doing anything. Say thank you. Please forgive me, my divine inner child. I'm forgiving and a loving person. Your parent is back. I'll be your parent, loving and kind parent. No matter how many times they have hurt you, no matter how many times they belittle you, how many times they abandon you, I take 100% responsibility to be with you, to be the loving and kind parent. I release all the wounds, all the trauma with every breath that I take. I release and let go. I treat my body like a temple. So I let go all the energies, all the dark memories that no longer serve this temple of my me. I'm breaking all the chains and patterns that causes the pain and hurt, that causes frustration within me. I let go and I release. Feel the bliss. Feel the comfort your inner child must be feeling, hearing these loving and kind words from you. Say, I'm uprooting all the events, all the memories, the virus inflicted data within me that attracts painful situations for me. Visualize that energetically you are uprooting it from the roots, all the trauma bonds, all the wounds, inner child wounds, even if you don't remember it. It's perfectly fine. But whatever causes you pain, whatever causes you stress, worries, you are just uprooting all those memories, all those inner child wounds and traumas, which your body is going to show you up in the next few days. You are uprooting them without logic, getting more clarity as you uproot these wounds about your life, about your future. So say, I release myself from the need to know why it all happened. Why wasn't it better? I release all the negative energy from my heart and my attachment to the knowing. And I'm ready to create space for the real love that God has to offer me. I'm ready to receive and gain love like a God, like a Buddha. Thank you for all the selfless love that I have within me. But I was filled with the layers of amnesia. Today, I release the veil. I love myself. I love you, my dear child, my dear inner child. Hug yourself, guys. Hug yourself. Feel the happiness and love within you. This is your inner child. Touch your body and say, I love you, my sweetheart. You are a wonderful child. You did your job so amazingly well. I'm worthy just the way I am. I deserve happiness. Happiness is my birthright. I'm worthy of abundance. And now visualize all your dreams coming true with this happy heart, high energies, all the abundance coming from every corner, every direction. Open your arms and say, I allow, I accept the love and abundance waiting for me. I allow, I accept, I enjoy every good fortune from every direction of the universe. Allow it, receive it, feel the happiness. Look at your inner child. It's smiling. All the wounds have been filled. All the holes have been filled with your love, acceptance, with your apologies. Say, I love myself. Universe is filled with love. I'm surrounded by the people who love me, adore me, respect me, who value me. I'm not doing anything. I'm just being me. Finally, I've stopped the race of impressing others, persuading others, wanting them to like me. And now, when I've stopped the chase, they have started loving me. Now, I don't expect anything from them, but they keep running towards me because I'm giving now all that love I was pouring outside to my inner child. Now, when my own inner child is happy, everyone around me is happy. Visualize yourself becoming whole and one, integrated into one energy with your inner child. Finally, you are home. Finally, your inner child is safe with their parent. Visualize yourself becoming whole and one with the energy of your inner child, your higher self, and your current self, all becoming one. Experience the happiness, the joy of receiving love and respect from every direction. And say, everything works out for me easily, smoothly. Whatever I touch becomes gold. I'm attracting good and positive relationships in my life. I'm attracting the opportunities, the best opportunities. I'm getting more and more clarity every single day. All the illusions, the clouds of trauma are fading away. Guys, visualize the sun shining brightly over you. Receive the rays. It's purifying your aura. It's purifying your energy, healing your inner child that was thirsty of love for ages. Say, I'm a precious child of universe. I'm allowed to have fun. I'm allowed to experience pleasure without feeling guilty. My desires are valid and they are needing to be fulfilled through me. I'll not abandon my desires. I'll fulfill them. I'm allowed to feel safe. I'm grounded. My inner voice Minor emotions are valid. I express my voice with ease and composure, and everyone responds with love. Thank you for this unconditional love, which is my natural state of being. I love you, my dear self. Take your names. I'll say Minnie. You take your name. I love you, my dear self, Minnie. And I say I love you loud and clear. Take your name, whatever you were called in your childhood when you were a small child. Take that name and say, I love you so much, my dear self. Hug yourself. Hug yourself once again and say, I release any hurt or anger I have kept in my heart. My heart is recovering more and more each day. I choose to let go of all the destructive patterns, repetitive patterns of being unloved, feelings of rejection, abandonment, betrayal. Take a deep breath in. Feel the breath in your heart and say, I give myself time and permission to heal. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you for all my emotional trauma, my inner child wounds. Whether I know it or not, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. I powerfully release all the blockages, all the trauma, all the wounds, whether I know it or not, into the earth. The earth is neutralizing every trauma, every low vibration. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. The child is hugging you back. Hold their arms. Just feel the love of becoming one with your inner child and promise your inner child that you will again and again be with it every single time. You are going to be its angel. Visualize your current self like an angel spreading their wings on which, on whom the inner child can always rely on. The inner child can always trust you. Become that person for your inner child or yourself. Feel the love. Feel the love. And now just rub your palms together and create those vibrations, healing energies, and radiate within yourself, in your environment. First, give this vibration and energy to your whole body and just believe anyone who enters your aura gets healed automatically. You don't even have to say anything. Every thought that you create, every feeling that you radiate is devoted to healing, to getting better and feeling love every single moment. Now open your eyes and let me know how are you feeling. Slowly come back and let me know how are you feeling. Just type in the chat box, how are you feeling? Embracing your inner child like a real mother for the first time. Did you feel your inner child came to you feeling belonged for the first time, feeling love without any, judgment, without any expectations? And then we'll dive into the a very small healing part. Yes, Shweta, we can do Gayatri Mantra. in periods also. Awesome. Could feel myself calm, peaceful. It's amazing, Shraddha. Good. Sonali, I felt whole and safe. Amazing. This is the real way of healing your inner child. Yes, I attended. What? I can't feel much, only restless. Okay, Manisha, don't worry. Repeat it. Repeat it three, four. That means your inner child has yet not trusted you. So everything that was happening was mechanical, right? You were not literally doing it from the space of a real mother has now met their child. So it was all happening mechanical, right? That's okay. Restless is also healing. Okay? Repeat it. अभी अभी ये जो हम करने वाले हैं ना रेकी, right? We are going to do the reiki love, right? With the goddess hands, right? Are you ready? For a quick, bath of God's love. So today what I'm going to teach you is from now onwards, every single day, your only job is to love and protect your aura. The more you work on your aura, your money issues, your health issues, your relationship issues automatically will be healed. You will not have to go at each single branch and wash it. All you have to do is clean and heal and purify and empower your aura. If, if your aura is weak, the struggles come in the form of people troubling you, in the form of money not coming to you, in the form of relationships not manifesting. But if your aura is magnetic, strong, and high, nothing can go wrong. Clear? So today I'm going to teach you aura protection and aura strengthening. And within that, I will imbibe certain codes that will stay with you to help you with manifestations. Okay. So what is the mudra for aura strengthening? Don't consider it any mystical or whatsoever. It is very scientific process. Our mudras, the way we, close, touch the different body parts, certain meridians get activated, right? And they create a strong, magnetic field around us, wherein whatever is coming from the outside, the people getting envious, the people throwing, jealousy on you, any negativity that is going to be created will be boomeranged back if your aura is strong. But if you don't do anything for your protection, because we are energy beings, सारा दिन हम डिस्चार्ज हो रहे हैं, अगर हम अपने आप को चार्ज पे नहीं लगाएंगे, you cannot blame others कि आपने आकर के मुझे मेरा मूड स्पॉइल कर दिया, डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. इफ योर ऑरा डन 3 minutes लगते हैं, सिर्फ 3 minutes. If you do this, anything people are doing on the outside, mother-in-law yelling, spouse throwing their anger of their office to you, आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. Your ears will say, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, right? You will become that, क्या बोलते हैं, irreactive, unreactive. Okay? ठीक है? So what you have to do is मुद्रा ये वाली लेनी है. Fold your thumb inside your fist and close it. Right? Now do it like this or do it like this. Right? And then you have to touch your heart like this. Thymus, right? But this is the mudra. Right? जब मैं कहूंगी तब करना है. I'll just tell you, ठीक है? During the meditation, I'll use the word, do the musal mudra. आपने बस ये करना है. Rest of the thing मुझे करना है. I'll be giving you the protection symbol. So today's ये meditation आप every single day सुन सकते हो while protecting your aura. ठीक है? Okay? It will be charged with the symbol. Okay? And when you will do this, I will be putting in some codes so that your aura will become, imbibed with that code whenever you will repeat this for the 3 times. It will stay with you for the 24 hours so that nothing wrong can happen to you. Clear? Musal Mudra is clear? Right? Along with Musal Mudra, you will be chanting 7 to 11 times home. हर कोई कर सकता है बिना attunement के, और इसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट, कोई नेगेटिव अट्रैक्शन नहीं है. ठीक है? The more you do it ना like this, and then you will chant home, home, home. राइट? इस तरह से आपने 11 टाइम्स करना है एंड देन यू विल बी गुड टू गो फॉर योर डे। जहां भी जाओ, योर बॉस, योर कलीग्स, कोई भी आपकी एनर्जी के अंदर टीयर नहीं कर पाएगा। ठीक है? योर ऑरा विल बिकम लाइक अ thick, strong shield where your higher vibrations can go and touch the people, but their anger, their frustration cannot, shake you. आप सुनोगे, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। क्लियर? चलो करें। ड्रिंक योर वाटर, ड्रिंक योर वाटर। लेट मी स्टार्ट सम म्यूजिक। चलो, कीप योर आईज क्लोज्ड एंड फॉलो माय वर्ड्स। फॉर नाउ जस्ट रिलैक्स योर हैंड्स एंड सिट। बैठ के करना है, बैठ जाओ। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ इन, यू कैन सिट। बस स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रहनी चाहिए, ओके? कंफर्टेबल, नाइस एंड स्ट्रेट। Take a deep breath in, nice and slow, without any rush. Root touching your ground. Listen to the music and let's set an intention for the day. Sankalp se hi siddhi hai, right? So we are going to set the intention. Everything is working out in my favor. Take a deep breath in. Only best happens to me all the time. And visualize a beautiful golden light falling from the sky, from the universe, omnipresent around you. But now you are, with your intention, setting it to work in your favor. Cleanse yourself with this lovely, beautiful, pure air, pure light, divine light. And once again, release all the stuck energy as you exhale. This energy can be long stuck in your aura because of the experiences you went through. And now, for the next few days, we'll be clearing all that stuck energy layer by layer as you exhale. So, as you exhale, you create the noise voice of ha, sound ha. Okay. So, inhale this cleansing pure air around you, the divine light around you. And exhale with the sound of ha, ha. Once more, ha. Feel the aura around you becoming stronger and thicker. Make the Musal Mudra. And as I'm going to give you the symbol, you chant whom. I'm giving you symbol on your entire aura. This is the symbol of love and protection. Nothing can harm you, nothing can shake you when this aura is active. So say aura active, aura active, aura active. You chant whom 7 times or 11 times. Whom, whom. Do it 11 times, guys. Whom. As you are chanting, visualize the colors building. This is the color of your aura. Whom, whom, whom. My aura is becoming thicker and stronger, and I'm totally safe and protected. Nothing harmful can touch me ever. I'm divinely protected. I'm always taken care of. Om, 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 Om. Archangel Michael, Lord Hanumanji, their energy is present inside this aura with you. Om. Imagine yourself surrounded by beautiful light bubble with your favorite deities to protect you, to guide you, to prosper you. Affirm, today I breathe life into the highest and healthiest version of myself. I welcome healing and transformation energies to transmute any past wounds that I've been holding on to. Focus on your breath. Bring all your attention into this present moment and think about your current challenges. And say, my mind, keep your hands on your forehead. Touch your forehead. My heart, keep your hands on your heart at the center of your chest. My body, just feel your body from the tip of your hair to the toes. You can touch your groin or womb. And my soul, rotate your hand throughout around your body. Just visualize this energetic aura around you. You are cleansed of heavy energy. Visualize any stuck heavy energy getting released, like a black smoke releasing your aura. Cleansed from your body in this very moment as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Your aura is beautifully clean and now strong. All the black smoke is released and all the tears are now filled with the divine love. Say, I'm so grateful for all the blessings in my life. Look around, guys. See your cozy home. Feel the presence of your loved ones. Just see all the gadgets you have to make your day and life easy. Look into your almiras, the beautiful clothes, belongings, your jewelry, the electricity around you. Feel the people working for you, the people cleaning your roads, your cars, your vehicles, the people around you teaching you, guiding you, healing you, your teachers, the governments paying you, taking care of you, the soldiers protecting you. Say, I'm grateful for all the blessings and protection in my life. I'm grateful for my future to manifest for the highest good of all. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for taking you for granted. But today I want to tell you, I'm grateful. I'm sorry, my dear divine, for not being able to see your blessings. Please forgive me if unconsciously I ever doubted you. If I ever doubted me. If I ever doubted my life plans. Thank you, dear divine, for cleansing me. All my problems and memories. We are releasing every energy that doesn't belong to us. Every evil eye, every jealousy, every hatred, every negativity drawn towards me be boomeranged back to the sender, transmuted into white light. I claim my power back. I love myself. Divine loves me. I love myself. Divine loves me. I love myself. Divine loves me. And now your aura is so beautifully strong and charged with divine love. I'm locking and sealing your aura so that nothing can ever touch you which is not serving you. See this beautiful golden light showering all the blessings on you, and you are absolutely safe and protected for the next 24 hours. You also affirm with me, I'm always safe and divinely protected. Everything I need to know is revealed to me at the right time. Everything I need comes to me easily and effortlessly in the perfect time, space, and sequence. Life is a joy. Life is filled with love. I'm loving and I'm loved. I'm vibrantly healthy. I'm vibrantly healthy. All the information I need to know flows to me magically. It's so easy for me now to let go and detach. I found myself today. I prosper wherever I turn. I'm willing to change and grow. Visualize every goal coming true. Visualize you living your ideal day, fully loved and supported. Money effortlessly flowing to you. All your chakras are beautifully healed, activated, and balanced. Visualize your ideal day. You are waking up relaxed, charged. You are no more hustling, no resistance to inner work. Your Ida and Pingla, masculine and feminine energies, are getting beautifully balanced. And because of that, your business is effortlessly growing. You are attracting opportunities from every nook and corner of the world. People are talking amazing things about you. You are enjoying the best hormonal health because your Ida and Pingla are fully balanced. Your children, your spouse, your in laws, your siblings, your parents are loving and adoring you more. Your friends are yearning to be around you. All people loving and trusting you, respecting you even more. Wow, life has become a bliss. You're always surrounded by the positive, protective forces of the universe. Your intuition is improving and your gut health is becoming godly. Now just soothe your chest by rubbing your palms on your heart area. Say, all is well and perfect in my world. Only good comes out of my life and all my experiences. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. I vibrate love, peace, and harmony everywhere I go. Everyone I meet, I only bless them and I keep my aura protected. I set boundaries healthily. I'm always heard. I'm feeling seen. I'm feeling acknowledged. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you and I love you. Now your aura is beautifully activated, empowered, locked, and sealed. Again, take a deep breath in, purify yourself, release all the unwanted data, all the anxiety causing data, all the stress as you exhale out. And with this beautifully pure, shining aura, open your eyes whenever you are ready. So use this small aura protection, aura shielding exercises daily It will only take 3 to 5 minutes. You can, play it at the speed of 1.25 or 1.5, and you are good to go to conquer your day like a king or a queen. Yes? How did you love today's session? Let me know. How are you feeling? Yes, Manisha, how are you feeling now? Better? Bit better? Give me your beautiful hearts. Let's take a picture. Right? Thank you so much. And then we will meet you tomorrow. Yes. Bye bye, everyone. Have an amazing day.
Thank you.